Former Training Day star Justin Cornwell has been cast as a lead in NBC's new mid-season character-driven procedural drama series The Inbetween. He replaces Yusuf Gatewood. At the time of the pilot's pickup to series in May, it was unveiled that the project would be reconceiving and recasting one of the two male leads opposite star Harriet Dyer, which was played in the pilot by Gatewood. The character, originally named Damien Parrish, is now called Damien Asante.
Written by Moira Lurland, The Inbetween centers on Cassie Bishop Dyer, who was born with a gift, though she may call it a curse. She can see and communicate with the dead, helping them with their unresolved problems, whether she likes it or not. When her longtime friend Tom Hackett, Paul Blackthorne, and his new partner, former FBI agent Damien Asante, Cornwell, need help solving a darkly puzzling murder, Cassie agrees to use her abilities.
The cast also includes Anne-Marie Johnson, Cindy Luna, and Chad James Buchanan. The Inbetween comes from Heyday Television, the joint venture of Harry Potter and Paddington producer David Heyman and Universal International Studios, and Universal Television. Lurland executive produces with Heyman, Nancy Cotton, Matthew Gross, and Christina Malik. Cornwell was a little-known young Chicago actor when he landed the co-lead opposite Bill Paxton in CBS's 2016 Training Day reboot, which went to series. He co-stars in Patty Jenkins' upcoming TNT limited series I Am the Night The One's Day Shall Darken, and in the feature We Are Boats, which premiered at the Cannes Film Festival. He is repped by Uda, Anonymous Content and Zifrin Brittenham.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.